Hi, this is Larry with Reliable Property Inspection. We're here at the property and the side of the house. There's a brand new 4-inch ABS cleanout. I've been notified that a liner has been installed, so we'll check that out in a minute. See our location. Alright, gloves on, and I'm going to go ahead and drop down. It looks like it can go both ways, so it's a two-way cleanout. This is the way the water's flowing, so obviously right there immediately transitions. Cleanout is ABS, and that's going to transition right into clay. Or actually, this might be the liner. Yep, so this is the liner. I can see it on top there, so it's the liner on the top. Epoxy liner. So it should be smooth all the way out. Yep, you can see the epoxy lining right there. Water reflection makes it return. Picture, we are 39 feet down, basically 40 feet. And this epoxy liner. Alright, so I turned on the water, so we should see water flow here in a minute. Alright, 70 feet. So I'm come down to the main city connection, and there's the water flowing, nice and smooth. Let's see where we're at. We could be in the cities. I'm going to pull back where the city connect. That's the city line. And we're right there where it connects down to the city. See it drop down. That's the city main. And the closet right there. And so everything looks good. We got epoxy liner all the way up. I'm going to pull out the video and maybe go up into the house. So I'm going to hit pause right